Good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 27th of June. The euro is trading higher after dropping below 130 in yesterday's session. The single currency, currently at 130.32, may look for a break above resistance at 130.44 in the short term should U.S. data this afternoon come below expectations. The U.S. dollar is ranging on the top part of the pennant formation against the Japanese yen. The pair may look for further downside intraday, but look for the break above should U.S. unemployment data come better than expected later today. Looking at equities, we have the European equities edging higher, pushed by higher risk-taking in financial markets. The UK 100 has gained for a second consecutive day, moving above 61.42. Onto commodities, gold has found strong support at $12.23 per ounce after falling to a 3-year low. The precious metal is currently looking at correcting some of its losses, moving above $12.40. WTI crude made a strong recovery even after worse than expected crude oil inventories. The crude is looking at higher highs above $95, especially as the U.S. driving season peaks. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. We have the Euro USD pivot point at 130.80 with a preference to go short at 130.80. We have the USD Yen pivot point at 98.30 with a preference to go short at 98.20. We have the Aussie dollar with a pivot point at 0.9240 with a preference to go long at 0.9240. We have the sterling dollar pivot point at 154 with a preference to go short at 154. And finally, we have the USD CAD with a pivot point of 1.0500 with a preference to go short 1.0500. Looking at commodities and indices today, we have the oil with a pivot point of 93.70, preference to go long at 93.70. Gold pivot point at 12.50 with a preference to go short at 12.50. We have silver pivot point 19.05 with a preference to go short at 19.05. And we have the US 500 pivot point 16.85, preference to go short 16.85. And finally, the UK 100 pivot point 60.25, preference to go long at 60.25. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. To look out for today, we have these market movers. At 8:30, the UK current account to drop by negative 11.9 billion. At 12:30, we have the US unemployment claims expected in at 347,000. And finally, in the afternoon at 2 p.m., we have the U.S. pending home sales month-on-month to rise by 1.1%. Our mover and shaker of the day is the British pound, which continues its slide lower, having touched 153 before somewhat correcting to 153.34. Look for better data from this morning's UK current account deficit, and the upside potential for the sterling is not to be undermined. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Sarah Henry from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.